Like most product pages online, there are many functions to interact with and use, and the ones on Schein Online are no different. Firstly, the big number at the top is the price including GST. Under it is the ordering buttons, and if it's in stock or not. To the left of the page is the pictures of the product. Click on the zoom icon to enlarge the pictures. Here you might also find videos such as how-tos or promotional videos. Scroll down and find any accessories for the product. In this case, the gloves have some different holders you can attach to a wall. Further down, we have alternate products. This is great if a product is out of stock and you want something similar, or, in most cases, you have the correct product but maybe need a different fitting, like a handpiece. Under this, you'll find the reviews that have been left on products. If you would like to help out your fellow dentists and DAs, reviews are always welcomed and helpful. Of course, an important area to master, product pages will be an important place to feel comfortable navigating to and around.